So I received Smoengi skincare products. It's a luxury Italian skincare line. The packaging, I must say, is absolutely stunning. So let's just do an unboxing. Oop. Wow, their advanced hydrating cream. It's so heavy. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna try this on a little bit later. But I just wanted to show you these products. And if you use the code LA20, you get 20% off. They're foaming facial cleanser. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. There we go. Wow, lovely, just absolutely lovely. We're gonna use that. And then we're gonna use their Pro Collagen Mask. So it's gonna be like a full-fledged facial. Wow, this is just awesome. I'm very excited to use this. So stay tuned and I will do a walkthrough.